What up? Back here with the QSC 8.2, brand new out of the box. And I've got my QSC, I guess we would call this 8.1 now. And it's in its carrying case. So I figured the first thing that we would do is demonstrate the physical dimensions. So looks like these speakers sitting beside each other is not going to be a possibility because this has that mesh covering underneath. So you're going to lose out on the visibility of the cone and all that there. And so on the back, you can see it is much more complicated using the QSC 8.2. Those of you that like physical dip switches, which a lot of us still prefer, your QSC 8.1 has them. On the back of the 8.2, it is 3 volume knobs and then this big dial here with 2 selectors to go through all the on-screen options. And so you're looking at a big change according to the back of this. Also, QSC 8.1 can have feet on it for a monitor. So you can sit your speaker like this if you're playing a live show and aim it at you, whereas the QSC 8.1 has to either be flat at a 7-degree angle instead of 45. And so that definitely would be something that if you are a musician of some sort, you probably want to go ahead and consider that. About the same size in terms of weight. However, one big physical difference down here is the 7-degree pole mount that can be utilized in order to aim it at your audience. Now, on the 8.1, it was possible to do so by rotating this dial, and now you could face it towards your audience. And so this dial has been something that I have never used just because of the difficulty of using it. Whereas this one has 2 pull mounts. I'll be interested to take it out to a show and see what it's like putting it on both separate pull mounts. Should be pretty easy, quick to go. All right, so that being said, what about the K8.2 in terms of mounting hardware? It is in the exact same place. So you can see that the holes for the mounting hardware there on the 8.1, 8.2 is right there. And so you're looking at almost the exact same width and speaker. All right, now I tried to buy a carry case for my 8.2, but apparently this is supposed to fit this carry case. So first time trying it, I haven't done any prep for this. And it looks like it has a pretty nice snug fit in there. This is the 8.2. The only big problem here is where those 45-degree angles for those feet are. So zipping it up in the case feels really nice. Handles in the right spot. Carries just as easily. However, when stacking things, you have to remember that this speaker is going to fold right there, whereas the old speaker would have maintained its shape. All right, so I think that about does it for the physical look, appearance, and overall general presentation of the 8.2 compared to the 8.1. So let's go ahead and plug them in and see what we got in terms of volume difference. See you in the next one.